Hello and welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 137. This was the 14th of January 2023, a Saturday. So I began the day with exercise, 45 minutes on the treadmill. That included a 5-minute jog. Then I did book repricing. We're getting to the tail end of textbook season, probably another few more days, and then sales will return to normal. And then I participated in Solar Saturday with Power. Virtual conference lasted most of the afternoon. And then I had a coaching session with Jeffrey Combs. And then finally, I did Remote Wellness Academy practice. And I also did I did my daily LinkedIn connections. And I also got on the dialer a little bit on Saturday. And I made 2 connections with the dialer. I'm not going to do that on Sunday, but I believe that starting next week I will do that on Sunday evenings. I will get on the dialer on Sunday evenings. No excuses. I'm going to do it because there are no cheat days. You got to do it every single day. Consistency. All right, that's my day for 137. If you have any questions, comments, like, comment, subscribe. I'll talk to you tomorrow.